Have you ever pondered how a seemingly harmless plant or animal species can drastically reshape an entire ecosystem? Picture a single seed, carried on the wind, landing in unfamiliar soil, or a creature hitching a ride in the hull of a ship. These unassuming immigrants, in the right conditions, can become invasive species, outsiders that can outcompete, overrun, and radically alter their new homes. In Vietnam, this is not just a hypothetical question, but a real and pressing concern. Imagine a foreign species entering a new environment, free from natural predators and competitors. This scene unfolds with a seemingly harmless act that can spiral into an ecological catastrophe. Picture this. A water hyacinth, a plant not native to Vietnam, is introduced into a local water body. It grows rapidly, without the restraints of natural predators or competitors. It blankets the water surface, blocking sunlight and suffocating the underwater life. Next, visualize the red-eared slider turtle. Originally kept as pets, many have been released into the wild, where they now outcompete native turtles for food and nesting sites. The proliferation of these foreign invaders disrupts the intricate balance of local ecosystems, leading to a decrease in biodiversity and threatening the survival of native species. Our tale of invasion illuminates the dire consequences of introducing foreign species into unprepared ecosystems. The unchecked growth and spread of these species is not merely an ecological concern, but a threat to the very survival of native species. The battle to protect Vietnam's biodiversity is not just about conserving nature for nature's sake. This fight is a multi-dimensional chess game where every move matters. It's about strategically managing invasive species, those non-native plants and animals that threaten the harmony of our ecosystems. Think of it like a puzzle. Each species, each organism, is a piece that fits into a larger picture of biodiversity. When invasive species are introduced, they disrupt this picture, causing imbalance and chaos. But here's where the real challenge comes in. We're not only trying to preserve this intricate picture of biodiversity, but we're also striving to maintain the health of ecosystems that support human livelihoods. These ecosystems are the backbone of industries like fisheries and forestry, which millions of Vietnamese people rely on for their survival. So, this isn't just a battle for biodiversity, it's a battle for the well-being of our communities and our economy. In the end, the fight against invasive species is a fight for our own survival. So what's the big picture here? The crux lies in understanding the profound effects invasive species have on Vietnam's biodiversity. We've journeyed through examples of such species causing significant disruptions and the tireless efforts put forth to control these invaders. It's a constant, complex battle, but one worth fighting to safeguard our natural heritage. Remember, every species has a role in the ecosystem. When one species becomes dominant, it's not just a loss for biodiversity, but a sign that the balance of nature is at risk.